Today we are going to talk about oral health and tooth safety. What do you know about teeth and tooth safety? Most of you are now 7 or 8 years old, but you're all getting older. One day you will be grandmas and grandpas, and it is important to understand that our permanent teeth are meant to last a lifetime. That could mean our permanent teeth will last 60, 70, 80, or even 100 years. Right now you have some baby teeth and a few permanent teeth. Your first permanent tooth is called the 6-year molar. No baby tooth falls out to get our 6-year molars. The 6-year molars grow in behind our baby teeth. Even though baby teeth fall out, our baby teeth are very important. They hold the spaces for our permanent teeth, so that when they are ready, they will grow in straight. As you get older, you will lose all 20 of your baby teeth and have 32 permanent teeth as a grown-up. You'll get most of your permanent teeth by the time you are 12 years old, sometimes a little older. Your teeth work very hard every day, so you must take good care of them because you need them for some very important jobs. Let's name some of the jobs your teeth do. The most important thing your teeth do is help you chew food. If we couldn't chew food, it would be hard for us to get the nutrition we need for our bodies to grow and develop. Your teeth also help you talk. Maybe you've never realized it, but teeth work with your tongue, lips, and cheeks to help you say words correctly. It would be really hard to say a lot of words without using your tongue, lips, and teeth. Your teeth help you look nice and give you a pretty smile. So how do we care for our teeth? Brushing after meals and at bedtime is the most important thing you can do for your teeth. Don't skip brushing at night because you are sleepy. Use toothpaste with fluoride to help your teeth stay strong. You can ask your mom and dad to help you floss between your teeth. The toothbrush can't get in the tight spaces between your teeth. Only floss can. Eat mostly healthy foods like apples, carrots, and popcorn. Limit how many sugary foods you eat. You should also visit the dentist 2 times each year so you can get your teeth cleaned and the dentist can find cavities when they are very small before they get big. These are all important ways to care for our teeth. Do you know what a cavity is? A cavity, also called tooth decay, makes a hole in your tooth. Nobody wants holes in their teeth. You've probably all heard of cavities, but what are cavities and where do they come from? Cavities are caused by plaque. Plaque is on everybody's teeth. It is an invisible film that sticks to your teeth. It is full of germs called bacteria that constantly grows on your teeth. It feels fuzzy. Rub your tongue on your teeth. Do they feel fuzzy? You brush your teeth to remove plaque. If you don't brush your teeth, the bacteria in the plaque turns food on your teeth into an acid. That acid is bad for your teeth. When the acid is on the teeth, we call that acid an acid attack. That acid attack can hurt your teeth and make a cavity or a hole in it. When should you brush your teeth? Brush your teeth 2 times a day. You should brush after eating snacks and meals. You should brush before bedtime, even when you are tired and feeling lazy. How do you floss your teeth? First, ask your mom or dad to help you. Use about 18 inches of floss. Wrap the floss around your pointer or middle finger. Leave an inch or 2 to work with. Gently follow the curves of your teeth. Slide the floss up and down on the tooth a few times. Go below the gums a little bit. You can try using flossers. They are even easier to use. Can you think of another way we can care for our teeth? We can protect them from injuries. The problem with teeth is that if we injure them, they won't heal on their own, like a scraped knee will heal. If we chip a tooth, it won't repair itself. The dentist will have to help. It is your job to watch out for yourself when it comes to tooth safety. An accident can happen very quickly. Usually there are no warning signs. The only way to prevent an accident is to know some safety tips. Let's talk about some things you can do at home to be safe. If you fall down, you can hurt your teeth. To prevent a fall, be careful not to leave toys on the floor. Don't run up and down the stairs. Don't run on wet floors, pavement, or around a swimming pool. Don't use your teeth for jobs they aren't supposed to do. Don't use your teeth to crack nuts or hold pencils and pens. Don't open bottles or barrettes or hairpins with your teeth. And don't chew ice with your teeth either. Always be careful on the playground. Walk safely around swings and teeter-totters. Take care when climbing on playground equipment such as a trampoline or monkey bars. When playing sports, smart kids wear a mouth guard. Wear a mouth guard for most sports: football, baseball, basketball, wrestling, soccer, or hockey. Watch where you throw a ball, and never throw your bat during baseball. Obey all traffic laws when bicycling. Be careful on slick snow and ice in the winter. Be especially careful at the drinking fountain. Many children have had a tooth broken because someone in line behind them pushed or shoved. Don't push or shove each other. In the car, be aware of sudden stops and always wear a seat belt. If you have a tooth injury, it is important to know what to do. If you chip a tooth, the dentist can usually repair it. Small chips like these in the picture on the left can easily be smoothed off. Bigger chips can sometimes be fixed with tooth-colored filling material. See the before and after a tooth repair pictures on this slide. Teeth that are badly chipped may need to be covered with a crown, sometimes called a cap. See the before and after a tooth repair with a crown pictures on this slide. If an accident causes a tooth to become loose, the first thing to do is tell your parent, teacher, or school nurse. The grown-up may be able to push the tooth back into place. Then call the dentist right away. The dentist will take an x-ray or a tooth picture to see if there is damage. If a tooth is knocked completely out, find the tooth and pick it up and go right away to a parent, teacher, or school nurse. Do not clean the tooth off or touch the wound site. Keep the tooth wet by putting it in a glass of cool water, milk, or a clean, wet cloth. Call the dentist right away. You should see your dentist within 30 minutes. The dentist will put the tooth back into place if it is possible. Let's review what we learned today. There are 3 reasons you need your teeth: for chewing, speaking, and smiling. 2 ways you can hurt your teeth are by chipping or using them for the wrong reasons. Some ways the dentist can fix an injured or hurt tooth is by smoothing a chipped tooth, putting a filling in a tooth, or putting a crown on the tooth. If a tooth is knocked completely out, you must go to a grown-up right away and keep the tooth wet. If you lose a permanent tooth, another one will not grow back in its place. So remember, take good care of all of your teeth. Your permanent teeth are meant to last your whole life. Thank you for listening and keep brushing.